Deep in a bamboo forest, a Japanese monk unveils a cosmic secret: the law of attraction. It's not magic, it's the universe's mirror, reflecting your deepest thoughts into reality. This ancient wisdom, guarded on Mount Koya, can transform your life. Listen closely as the monk speaks. The law of attraction, the monk says, is simple yet profound. Like attracts like. Your mind is a magnet. Think of wealth, and wealth flows. Dwell on fear, and fear multiplies. He meditated under moonlit trees, seeing thoughts as seeds plant joy, harvest abundance. Sow doubt, reap struggle. How does it work? First, focus your mind. The monk visualized golden rivers, feeling their warmth, not just seeing them. Emotions fuel the law, feel it real, and the universe aligns. He'd whisper, "What I feel, I attract," syncing his heart with his vision. Next, act as if. The monk walked with the grace of a master, even in poverty, trusting his desires were already his. Action signals belief. Take small steps, like offering a kind word, and the universe responds with opportunity. Finally, release resistance. Clinging blocks the flow. The monk sat by a stream, letting go like leaves on water. Trust the timing, and the law delivers wealth, love, peace when you're ready. The monk's truth. Your thoughts shape your world. Focus, feel, act, release, unlock the law of attraction. Start now. The universe is listening. What will you create?